Hey guys, I am an Airbnb host and I also stay at a lot of Airbnbs, and I just wanted to show you how awesome the lock is. So I just locked it. Now I'm gonna unlock it. Isn't that awesome? And you can get the app and you can change it from your app. So from the inside you can lock it like normal, and then when you go out you can I just pushed that and it locked it. That's pretty cool. Alright, so now it's telling me it's locked. So then if I put the code in, which the code changes, you change the code for every guest. Isn't that cool?